Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to apply for Lazypay card. You see, it's quite simple to apply for a Lazypay card, especially the RBL Bank Lazypay credit card. The first thing you need to do is download the Lazypay app. If you do not have the app, you do have to download and install it on your smartphone because the application process primarily takes place through the official Lazypay mobile application. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and find the card section. You will see the section related to Lazypay card or credit card. The app will likely guide you to check eligibility for the card. This may involve entering some basic personal details, including your PAN card information. You should see an indication of your eligibility relatively quickly. Once you do that, the next thing you're going to do is complete your KYC. If you're eligible, you will need to complete the process. This typically involves uploading digital copies of your identification and address proof documents like Aadhaar card and PAN card. Next is to provide bank details for repayment, because you need to set up a repayment method, often a mandate for automatic deduction. Then the information document you submit will be verified by Lazypay and RBL Bank. If you are approved, you will receive your card. It will be dispatched to your address. There might also be an option for digital card that you can start using earlier for online transactions. It's as simple as that. Now, it is important for you to consider some things. One, eligibility. Lazypay and RBL Bank have specific eligibility criteria for the card, which may include factors like age, residency status, typically Indian residents, income source, salaried or self-employed with a minimum income, and credit history. Also, there's something called an invitation-based application. Some information such as the RBL Bank Lazypay credit card might currently be offered only to select users. You may need to check the app to see if you're eligible to apply. Next is documents. You see, keep your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and bank account details handy during the application process. You will definitely gonna need them. And the entire application process is designed to be digital and paperless, so it's a digital process. Now, note that this guide provides you the basic steps. The exact flow and requirements might have minor variations within the app. Hope you found this video helpful.